Hello and welcome back, guys. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. In two previous units we learned about timeline, and now we want to go ahead and learn more about it. So stay with us. As I mentioned before, here we have toolbox, and in this section we have two different tools, the flip tool and the slide tool. The flip tool's shortcut is Y here, and a slide tool's shortcut is the letter U. Let's start with the flip tool and see what does it do. Look here, I have one clip here, and I will put a clip on its left and another one on its right. Now I choose this tool. With this tool, I can move contents of my clip to the left and right without changing its position in the timeline. Indeed, part of my video that has not been appeared here can be scrolled to be shown here. In the program panel, the top left image shows the last frame of the previous video. The upper right image shows the first frame of the next video. And the images below show me the start and end time of my clip in this space, which I can change the start and end by selecting and dragging my clip. Alright? As simple as possible. But what about the slide tool? What the slide tool does is that it moves the video. Also, it fills the empty space with sections of the videos next to it. I do it for you here. Alright? As you can see here, my video does not change, but my video overlaps both videos on each side. If I bring it to the right, my next video will start a few frames ahead. And if I bring it back, my video will replace the end of the previous video. Pay attention, as I said, my video does not change, unlike the previous two. Another thing that I want to talk about is the speed and duration of a clip. Sometimes for creative and impressive effects, it might be necessary to increase or decrease the speed of your clips. For example, I want to change the speed of my clip from this section of my clip to the end of it. First, I will separate the section that I want using the razor tool, or you can do this by the combination of Ctrl and K keys. Then I right click on my clip and finally choose speed or duration from the open menu. In the open dialog box, I want to double the speed of my video clip. So I enter the value of 200% and let's see the result together. Alright? That'll be all. There are also some other options here in this dialog box. The reverse speed option, which can be used to play your video backward. Actually, it reverses the video clip playing direction. For example, here I'm doing reversing to see what happens. Alright? Something like this happens. Okay, now assume that you have a clip that has sound with it.
شما عزیزان اگه قراره که توی واحدهای این شرکت فعالیت بکنین، لازمش این هست که یک سری از دوره‌ها رو طی بکنین.
So I can use this option to maintain the audio pitch. For example, if someone is talking fast or slow, when you slow down or speed up, the voice will not be rising or falling. Let us test this item together on this clip to understand it more. Here, I change the speed of this clip, and this time I activate this option.
شما عزیزانی که قراره که توی واحدهای این شرکت فعالیت بکنین لازمش این هست که یک سری از دوره‌ها رو طی بکنین.
As it is obvious, the voice is not fallen or risen. Indeed, it seems natural. Once again, I will do this without clicking this option. Alright? Something like this.
شما عزیزانی که قراره که توی واحدهای این شرکت فعالیت بکنین لازمش این هست که یک سری از دوره‌ها رو طی بکنین.
And as you can see, the result will be different. Alright guys, and the last option in this dialog box is repeated shifting trailing clicks. If this option is active, the created gap when the speed increases will be automatically removed. And also if the speed decreases, which will lead to an increase in duration, the adjacent clip will be shifted as needed. Let's see this together again. I will do it once with this option active. In this way, you can see that there is no gap here. Alright? Now I repeat the same thing again without clicking this option, and as you can see, the created distance is not deleted automatically. The next topic that I want to talk about is linking and unlinking the sound clip from the video clip. Earlier, we talked about audio and video tracks. We can put our video clips here on top and our sound clips at the bottom of the timeline. Now notice that when you click on a sound or video clip, both will be selected. And this is not what I need. Actually, I want to be able to choose each clip individually. Note that whether I click here or here, both my clips will be selected together. But there are times when you don't need to select both clips at the same time. You might want to remove the sound and leave the video, or vice versa. In this way, you can use audio or video separately and independently. Now, if I select this clip, both will be selected together. And if I delete it, the audio and video clip will be deleted together. But I can right click and select Unlink from the open menu, and that's it. Now I can choose each separately. Another way to do this is to hold the Alt key and then select the desired clip. Look, I hold Alt and select the desired clip or clips. Also, there is an easier way, and that is disabling the link selection key in this section. I disable it, and since now, by clicking on each clip, only that clip will be selected separately. So you can easily choose the clip that you want, and also easily choose a group of sounds and videos together like this. Okay guys, in the previous lessons, we learned about the insert and override keys in the source panel. But now we are dealing with the program panel and timeline. And we want to check two different tools that look very similar to insert and override tools apparently. Obviously, the names of these tools are lift and extract. The icon of these tools can show you the ability and duty of these two tools to some extent. Alright? For example here, I will specify in and out point, and now if I press lift, you will see that this part of my clip will be removed. In fact, it extracts this section for me. note that the created gap remains. Alright? Now let us do the opposite point. This time I select extract, and as you can see, in addition of deleting the selected section, the created space is also deleted. As easy as possible. Also remember that using these tools can be much faster and easier than using other tools like razor, rolling, rippling, and many other tools. Alright my friends, there are many other options that we can talk about, and I will cover it for you further. I hope you have learned something valuable from this video. So if you have any question, please write it for us in the comment section and I will answer it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, thanks for following us, and until the next video, I wish the best for you.